Today, we are going to break down how you can turn one of the most common chores out there, meal prepping, into a real honest-to-goodness source of passive income. It's time to totally rethink your Sunday routine.
I mean, think about it. For so many of us, Sunday afternoon is just gone. It's dedicated to chopping vegetables, cooking a bunch of chicken, portioning out quinoa, you know the drill. It's this familiar ritual that, let's be honest, can be a little tedious, but it's what makes the rest of the week possible.
But here's where we flip the script. What if all that time, all that effort you're already putting in could be captured and packaged up into something that makes you money while you're asleep, or while you're at your day job, or, get this, while you're prepping next week's meals?
And that is exactly what we're talking about today. We are laying out a clear, step-by-step blueprint to turn that weekly chore into a digital asset that you can sell. This isn't about adding more work to your plate. It's about making your existing work, well, work for you. So what is this thing we're actually creating? It's really simple, a digital meal prep guide. Just picture a clean, easy-to-read PDF that someone can download. It's got everything they need, your best, killer recipes, a perfectly organized shopping list, and a simple plan for the week. They buy it, they download it, and they're good to go.
Now, this slide gets to the core of why this is so powerful. Active work, like being a personal chef, means you trade your time for money. You cook for a client, you get paid once. That's it. But a digital asset? That's a whole different game. You create the guide one time, and you can sell it 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times. The key here is you're separating your time from your ability to earn money.
And that's it. This is the mantra. This is the heart of this entire idea. You put in the creative work up front, and that one effort can turn into a stream of income that just keeps flowing with almost no extra work from you.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, how do I actually make one of these guides? Let's get into the ingredients, so to speak, that you'll need to cook up a guide that people will be scrambling to buy. It really just boils down to 3 simple steps. First, you've got to find your niche. And this is so important. Don't try to be for everybody. Second, pull together your absolute best, easy-to-follow recipes, the ones you know work. And third, design it. You don't need to be a fancy graphic designer. There are tons of simple tools out there to make it look clean and professional. So what does niche really look like in practice? Well, maybe you're a whiz at keto meals for beginners. Or maybe your specialty is whipping up 30-minute vegan dinners. It could be high-protein lunches for people who hit the gym. Or maybe you're a master at feeding a whole family on a super tight budget. Your personal expertise, that is your niche. All right, once your guide is ready to go, you need a way to actually sell it automatically. This part is all about building your passive engine. Think of it as a little sales machine that works for you around the clock, 24/7, without you ever having to lift a finger. And hey, look at that. It's another 3 simple steps. First, you pick a platform to sell on. And trust me, there are plenty of easy-to-use sites made for exactly this. Second, you set a fair price. Don't sell yourself short. And third, and this is absolutely crucial, you set up automated delivery. That means when someone pays, the system automatically sends them the download link.
The whole point of this engine is automation. The entire process from a customer clicking buy to them getting your guide in their inbox, it all happens without you. And that's what makes the income truly passive. You could be at your day job, on vacation, literally asleep, and that engine just keeps on running.
Now for the best part. Let's talk about the profit. How does all this actually translate into real money in your pocket? Let's take a look at what's really possible here. What about an extra $500 a month? Just think about that for a second. For a lot of people, that's a car payment. That's a huge chunk of rent. That's a serious boost to your savings account. It's a really meaningful amount of money, and believe me, it is totally achievable.
And look, the math here isn't complicated at all. Let's say you price your guide at a super reasonable $20. You would only need to sell 25 copies in an entire month to hit that $500 mark. 25. That's less than 1 sale a day. When you break it down like that, it suddenly feels very, very doable, doesn't it?
Okay, let's be real for a second. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a lottery ticket. This is a practical, smart strategy. It's about finally recognizing the value in a skill you already have and using it in a clever way to build another stream of income for yourself.
So, as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with this one question. Yeah, we talked all about meal prepping today, but this blueprint, it can be applied to almost anything. So take a look at your own weekly routines. Is your workout plan, your budget spreadsheet, a gardening schedule? What expertise are you sitting on that could be your next blueprint for profit?